Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of digital marketing, a field that's revolutionizing how businesses operate and how careers are shaped. So, if you're looking to break into this industry or just want to understand it better, you're in the right place. Let's start by breaking down what digital marketing actually involves. It's a broad field, and here are the core components you need to understand. Search engine optimization or SEO involves optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results pages. It's about using the right keywords, improving site speed, and creating valuable content. Pay-per-click advertising, known as PPC, consists of paid ads that appear on search engines and other platforms. You pay for each click your ad receives, making it a direct way to drive traffic to your site. Social media marketing includes managing and promoting your brand on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It's all about engaging with your audience and building a community. Content marketing focuses on creating and sharing valuable content like blogs, videos, and infographics to attract and engage your target audience. Email marketing involves sending targeted emails to nurture leads and retain customers. It's an effective way to communicate personalized messages and offers. So, how do you start your journey in digital marketing? Here's a structured roadmap you can follow. Learn the basics. Begin with understanding the fundamentals of digital marketing. There are plenty of online resources and free courses available to get you started. Choose your specialization. Digital marketing is vast, so focus on one or two areas that interest you the most. Whether it's SEO, social media, or content marketing, get certified. Earning certifications can help you stand out in the job market. Enroll in a reputable course to gain both knowledge and credentials. Gain practical experience. Apply what you've learned through internships, projects, or personal blogs. Hands-on experience is crucial. Stay updated. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so keep up with the latest trends and tools. Here are some top websites where you can find high-quality free digital marketing courses. Google Digital Garage offers a free comprehensive course titled Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. You can find it at Digital Garage. HubSpot Academy provides several free courses, including certifications in inbound marketing, content marketing, and more. Visit HubSpot Academy. Coursera, while some courses require payment, you can audit many of them for free. Check out courses from institutions like the University of Illinois and the University of California. Explore Coursera. Udemy features various free courses on digital marketing basics. Browse through the free courses at Udemy. Allison offers a free diploma in digital marketing that covers all essential aspects. Visit Allison. Digital marketing is not just about theory. It's about practice and adaptation. Make sure to use these resources to build a strong foundation and continually improve your skills. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.